together like this. Cover the jar and mix it together. Hello, welcome back to this great channel. Yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade roach killer. If you have pets or you have little kids in your house and you're scared of using any roach killer at home, here I got the answer for you. Okay, so this roach killer is not going to cost you too much. It's pet safe, it's child safe as well, so do not worry too much. All right, on this channel I talk about DIYs, cooking, and anything, you know, cheap, affordable that you can do at home. You don't have to spend too much money. If you are looking for things that you want to do like cooking, DIYs, and you know, anything in between, come to this channel and you will find your answer. Okay, so Kujani, bonjour, hola, yeah, ekaro, ekason, ekale, wherever you're watching me from, I say welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to be telling you and showing you how to make this awesome roach killer at home. As you may know, roaches, like human being, they also have needs. We human being has need, roaches also have need. They have need like food, shelter, and water. Yes, those are the three needs. If you have a house and you are able to meet their need, just definitely know that they will be in your house, hiding somewhere in your closet, by the back of your refrigerator, in your kitchen, bathroom, and everywhere, you know, anywhere hideous, you can easily find them there. Okay, so I don't care, no matter how clean, tidy, or you know, upstanding your house can be, you're still gonna find one or two roaches in your house. So let's get into this video. Let me show you how. And with two ingredients, these two ingredients, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to show you how to use them, the cost of it, the process you need in making them, and how to consistently using this roach killer in order for you not to see them again. All right, let's get into see how it. Let me show you how to, you know, get rid of these monsters, because they are monsters. They torment everybody. I mean, you try to get rid of them all the time, they still keep coming. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to, you know, things, the ingredients you are going to need for this DIY is baking soda and sugar. Those are the two ingredients. And this baking soda, you can easily get it for the price of, I think I got it for $2 or so in the store, $2 and some cents. And this sugar, it's like $2 as well, so there's something very, very cheap. So we are going to need bowl and a jar. This jar is going to be for mixing it, and this bowl I'm going to pour it in it. But if you have a jar or you have a bowl, whichever one will work fine. You don't need to have the two. Okay, but because I have this jar, so I'm going to be using this jar to mix it up. Then after mixing it, I'm going to pour it in the bowl. So I will grab 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of baking soda. So make sure it's the same amount of baking soda and your sugar as well. So this is granulated sugar, white sugar is the one I'll be using, but any sugar you have at home will do, because this sugar is going to attract the roach. So 1 cup of baking soda. If your baking soda is if it's solid, or you know, if it's solid, make sure you know, break it down to break it down. So I'm going to pour the baking soda in the jar. Remember, I already poured my sugar. Oops. Okay. Okay, so trying to break. Remember, you can also use your bowl, to pour your mixture and then mix. If the bowl has a cover, if it has a lid, you can just cover it and then mix. Okay, so I got it mixed all together for like 2 minutes. Then I'm going to pour it in the bowl. You might be wondering, my bowl has 3 sides. It doesn't matter, you can use any bowl as long as it's the bowl is shallow. They can easily crawl inside and get in. So I'm going to so if you have multiple places that you want to put your roach killer, you can divide it and then put it in multiple places. Okay, you can make a lot and put it in multiple places. Remember, the ratio of the baking soda have to be equal to the ratio of the sugar, so the same amount of baking soda and sugar. So the things I love about this roach killer is that it only requires 2 simple ingredients, and you probably already have those ingredients at home. And it is very easy, effective, and cheap. So here is a quick tip. Like I said earlier, roaches like to hang out in warm, dark, and damp places, like behind your refrigerator, by the sink, in the cabinet, in your bathroom, and so on and so forth, cool places. So for you to get the best result out of this mixture, set up multiple places where you put this mixture. Okay, like where they really hang out around your house. I mean, your house better, but at the back of your refrigerator, your sink and cabinet, those places are they are example of bright places where you can easily put them. And this roach killer, if you see any traces of them, probably you see their egg or you see any of them dying in it, then that's a good indication that you are on the right track and the mixture is working. Okay, so and then you have to refill this roach killer. Like, you want to refill it often, maybe like every 2 weeks, and make sure you check it often. So if it's so that if you need to replace another one, you can replace it. And however, if it looks like your roach killer has not been touched, I mean, if the roach didn't come there, if you didn't see any traces of them, you can try moving the mixture to another location. So that should help. And checking back every couple of days to see if they are getting in it, and if you are seeing them around. Here is a quick question. Have you ever used this homemade roach killer at home before? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. I love to hear your thoughts and I love to read your comments. Okay, and also, if you like what I do on this channel, consider subscribing to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up and also turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video.